this is definitely a case of something's jammed up in there. So I'm gonna have to. Sometimes they don't come out at all, you know. So this is that's stuck very bad.
Tried every way to take it out.
It ain't easy at all. I'm gonna leave it aside, you know, because this is. Have you got like a Tupperware or something like that? Because there's going to be bits I don't want things.
No, don't worry about it.
Is that
clean,
right? Yeah.
Yeah. Man, I'll clean all of it. That's not a problem. Man.
This is jammed up, man. Wow.
Oh my God.
Jammed up. I'm gonna get you a new one of those from the
you
van
got a
anyway.
spare?
Yeah, I got a spare one. I'll get you a new one of those. Clear up this, just make sure everything is clear this side there. Make sure so there's there's nothing in there. And also look up in here. Yeah, that's all right there as well. Just clean all around here. That's all right.
Okay.
Now you see that there would have been no way that you'd have been able to take that one out at all. Like,
That was really clogged off, man. Gee. It's like concrete in there.
That's the madness that limescale does to it.
No, under my finger, everything like cutting up. I tried to use a screwdriver to hold it and turn it. I said, nah, it's just going to get damaged.
Nah, you did the right thing. Line this up properly, which is annoying. That's it. You just turn till it don't turn no more. Right, so I'm going to give that a test, get some water in it and make sure it drains properly.
You know, if you open it now, would the lid just come off?
No.
The lid itself?
Nah, because it's not jammed up.
So, let's see if it is... I just think, yeah, you see, that's what should have happened.
That's how it's supposed to be. That's how it's supposed to be. Just tighten it until it don't go no more.
Yeah. Like, just run it.
The switch on the wall?
Yeah, the first one.
Under the sink, yeah?
Yeah, it goes,
okay, I can see the holes right there. We see. Now there's a different problem. So that's one problem. The other
it's
problem
not spinning,
is
it's
that
not draining.
the belt's come off.
Yeah.
Because I can hear the motor. Okay. I'm going to leave.
So that's...
Right,
It's funny, it's quite easy to do that when you know what you're doing, you know.
yeah, this is just experience, eh? You hear it draining now. I don't think that's supposed to be under here, is it?
Yeah.
It's nice like that. That's because I put that under there. I shouldn't have put that.
No, just that's how it is. We did have something on the bottom there too. It might just move somewhere because it's unstable. So we put some of those shoes just to stop it.
Right.
Yeah, that's. Don't. I'll deal with those later. That's not a problem.
Cool.
We just want to make sure it's spinning.
Of course.
But just the belt.
Yeah, the belt and the filter.
And the belt quite small though. And just this little drainage filter that.
That's it.
Everything will be drained out.
Yeah, man. That's good to go.
Thanks, man.
That's no problem at all, man.
It's spinning properly now. Spinning. Alright, it's working. It's all good now. It's spinning. Thank you. So if you have a problem with your machine, you can try the same thing and see if it works. So now I'm just making sure it spins to the end. That's carrying out rigorous testing. This filter is blocking the machine. This filter is what blocks your machine and damages your machine. So you need to clean this at least once a month or once in a quarter. If it gets too long, it gets stuck in the, if it takes too long to clean out, it gets stuck and it'll cost you more problem, more money, or a new machine. And also it can affect the belt as well because of the pressure. So always clean out this filter. And it is a candy machine, Grand Old VITA. Candy machine, Grand Old VITA. Now it's working, full wash and spin and open, all water drained. Drained and everything's all crucial. Yep. So now it's working fine. So there's no problem, there's nothing. Yeah, that's it. If you have a problem with your machine, you could try same thing. You know, and I come back to live my work. So this is working fine. I've tried a food thing. I've tried a wash and it washed, spin, drain everything. So there's no problem. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video helped you to resolve whatever problem you might have with candy machine or any other machine, because all the machines, they're all just about the same thing. They're all the same. They all have similar problems. Thank you. Bye.